a lot of our investors and a lot of investors we're talking to would like to have access to co-investment transactions that are led by GPs. I think the reasoning for that is that a lot of these deals are either secondary transactions, they are a lot of times proprietary transactions developed by GPs, allowing for basically better deal terms, better valuations versus the deals that are being marketed wider and driving the price through competition. As for Flashpoint, the way we are looking at co-investments is that our fund size has been historically on the smaller side, and we have been quite good at creating follow-on opportunities and follow-on investments outside rounds. So between the rounds, we would be looking to expand our stake in companies that are better performing. And once we reach certain diversification levels in terms of asset allocation per company, once we're reaching that threshold, the limit will be opening up to our investors such opportunities through co-investment transactions. Most of these are relatively small. Most of them are secondary. Most of them are executed on a very short timeline because the seller is not willing to wait for a long period of time. So we need to transact fast. And for our investors, it's a great opportunity to basically within the position, within the rights that Flashpoint has, expand their exposure to a company while maintaining all the rights of Flashpoint, which is and then there is an element where we are being asked a lot of times whether an investor could be directly on the cap table. I think such transactions are also, of course, possible, and we allow our investors to look directly into some companies if they have interest. That's one of the reasons why people invest in funds. They get more direct exposure as well. So we are always happy to make such introductions. I think the difference usually is that when you're directly on the cap table, you probably end up with a smaller stake. You probably don't have as many corporate rights. You probably don't have share transfer restrictions that Flashpoint would have, having a larger stake and in the company.